Hey guys, what's up? It's Kruis here. I'm currently doing a daily vlog on YouTube. Right now, I'm here in Quezon City, Philippines. This is where I live. I'm getting a car wash right now. Can you guess how much it costs for a car wash and vacuum? It costs 60 pesos. That's about $1. $1 for a car wash and vacuum. I'm also testing this new lens out. It's the Rokinon 14mm 2.8 autofocus lens made for Sony. I'm using the A7S II right now. This is my first time using it for vlogging. So I'm just experimenting with this lens a little bit today. Let me know what you think of it. Seems like in the last clip it was having a little bit of trouble focusing on my face. So let's see how it does here. Check that out, it's so clean. Okay, I'm already gonna conclude that I can't really use this lens for vlogging. It just doesn't focus that well. Partly that's probably due to the A7S, because the autofocus on the A7S II isn't that great. And with this, the camera is so much bigger, the lens is a lot heavier. I have to use the Gorilla Pod to hold it. Anyways, I'm just trying out different setups I can use. I usually use the A6300 with the 10 to 18mm. It's actually super small, so I end up just using this like selfie stick tripod with it. I'll switch over to this camera right now and show you what I was just using right now. So this is what I was using. It's huge, it's heavy. Lens is heavy, camera's bigger. It just looks so big compared to, look at that. That's so small, nice. So much traffic on that one street. If you watched my video from 2 days ago, you saw that Henna is getting her teeth fixed. On that day, she got one of her teeth fixed. So now she is getting her other tooth fixed. So I'm walking over to the clinic again today. Let's see what's up over there. She's getting her teeth fixed in there. I'm not sure when they'll be done yet. So let's talk about this daily vlog thing for a bit. So I just started daily vlogging again a few weeks ago. I'm really liking it so far. I think what I really like about it is I'm in a constant state of like creative flow. It forces me to keep creating, and I think it's a super good exercise. Some days I have more of a plan of what I'm gonna make for a video, and then some days like today it's just like unplanned. So usually what I've been doing is filming. Usually I have a plan of what I'm gonna film. I have a topic in mind that I want to talk about or something I want to show. Yeah, I'll shoot it and then I'll edit it the night of, and then I'll have it scheduled to post for the next morning. That's been my process so far. I'm making a daily vlog so I can practice my filmmaking, my editing, my cinematography, and storytelling. And also, you know, other technical aspects like color grading and audio editing as well. Actually, for these daily videos, I don't have a set preset for my color grading. I color grade each one of them, and so some of them might be a little bit different than the others. That way, I'm just able to experiment a little more with color and yeah, learn more about how to color grade. So that's what I'm doing here right now on YouTube. Let's check out what's going on in there now.
2,000 years later.
How was it? What time is it right now? Smile! Nice! Perfect!
Hi!
Look at those new teeth!
Oh, smile!
Okay, our teeth are finally done. I'm gonna call this the end of this video. It's getting really late and I have to go to bed, so Make sure to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.